The fourth stage is like after you actually close, now what do you do? And what should you be thinking about as a buyer? Because a lot of people don't plan on the maintenance of their home or, maybe discovering how to, where's the main shutoff is to the water, because inevitably you're going to have to do that at some point.
I still have a light switch to nowhere and I've lived there for 4 years. Don't know what it does.
Yeah.
But it's there.
Mm-hmm.
So you should be asking some of those questions maybe before you close, but right after, certainly while you're still in contact with the other realtor and potentially the sellers is, hey, let me kind of go through the house and figure out what's there.
But here's what's not to do. 2 years after you close, call up and say, we had a breaker go out.
What are you going to do about that?
You missed it.
Yeah.
or realtor, how are you going to fix this for me?
Yeah. So there's immediate action that needs to happen after closing.
I think so.
And what would you say would be some of the important things to do, Paul?
After closing?
Yeah.
I think that you should be doing that in the inspection phase.
Yeah.
Figuring out exactly what you have. But I think making sure everything is running right, making sure that you have
when you're actually
a good understanding when you're living in the house.
Yeah. Planning on maintenance.
Well, the other thing is maintenance, your filters, if you knew something was wrong or going wrong at the when you bought the house, maybe start saving up or planning on repairs. Water heaters, appliances, those types of things have shelf lives or have life expectancy.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's a big difference between being a renter and never having to think of those things and moving over to being a owner. And now you have to think about, don't wait till it breaks.
Yeah. Even if you're
think ahead.
Buying somewhere with irrigation, you got to flush that irrigation at the end of the year. There's just a lot of stuff that goes into home ownership that you might not even think about, and just getting familiar with all houses are different. They all have quirks. Get familiar with it. There's going to be weird stuff. You're going to have questions when the taxes come up. It's okay to reach out because let's say something does break. We're probably not going to be able to fix it for you, but we can.
No, but we can help.
We can tell you who to use.
That's right.
Who's a good, reliable person and what to look for.